Hey everyone, today I'm sharing my go-to glues and tips for working with metal, plastic, and wood fittings in ship models. Before assembling metal parts, darkening them adds realism, like on this WeldBond kit with CNC brass parts. If you are off the brass Ager, check the link below. But personally I like the shiny brass look, so here is just a quick demo. For plastic parts, if you have built plastic models before, you know the drill. If not, just remember, do not twist them off the spools. Use a hobby knife or cutter instead. For tiny parts, stick some masking tape on the back so they don't go flying. I usually leave a bit of spool when cutting, then trim and sand it down for a clean finish. Now for gluing, plastic cement is the way to go for plastic to plastic bonds. It actually welds the parts together for a seamless joint. When attaching plastic to wood, I recommend WeldBond Universal Adhesive. It's a PVA-based glue that dries clear and stays slightly flexible, making it more versatile than regular white glue. Before painting plastic parts, it's always a good idea to use the primer, but if you want to skip it, just add a few extra coats of paint for a smoother finish. For metal to plastic bonds, I usually go with the Quasi glue. I've been using this 502 glue with the Nozzle. It dries super fast and gives precise control. You can find the link below. For wood to wood bonds, always go with the wood glue. It takes a bit longer to dry, but trust me, the finish is super strong and clean. You might need some masking tape to hold the parts in place while it sets. Once it's fully dry, you can paint and apply wood finish, just like we did on the ship hull. For metal to wood, I recommend WeldBond again. It creates a strong, durable bond with minimal residue. To make things easy, I put together a quick reference table of my go-to glues for different materials. Feel free to pause the video and check it out. Alright, all the fittings are ready, let's get them installed on the ship. Before gluing, take a good look at the 1:1 scale ship plan to make sure everything goes in the right spot. I'm using WeldBond for this since it gives me some working time in case I need to fix anything, and it is easy to clean up. That's it for today. Happy building, and I will see you in the next video.